Hey, it's Matt at RuffHouse Studios, and welcome to my review of the Ju1ce handheld rosin press. I would like to thank the guys at Ju1ce for setting up and sponsoring this review. If you'd like to learn more about this and their other products, please visit thejuicebox.com. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box for the Ju1ce. Of course, you get the Ju1ce handheld unit itself. There's also a rosin collector that's a stainless steel. Then there's also a silicone jar. There's a pack of 30 of the Ju1ce tickets, which is the parchment paper, an instruction manual, and a cool little satchel to hold it in. Now, taking a closer look at the Ju1ce, one thing I really noticed is that the really durable quality of the composite that it's made out of just looks like you could run over it with a tank and it'd be fine. You have the handle that you use. There's a little compression lever there that you open it. It opens up the jaws on the other end that have the heated plates. And the handle, you close it, it has like, it doesn't really ratchet sound, but it closes and it grips as you hold it down. The tighter you hold it, the tighter it goes down. Take a look now more at the features and functions. It's a really simple device. You can see that the heating element all is on the side, which creates a nice flat platform bottom for it to sit on. Like I said before, the handle squeezes. As you squeeze it, it's not a ratchet that makes a noise, but as you squeeze it, it ratchets itself down and holds it to whatever strength that you tighten it down to. And that collapses the front. And you turn the heating elements on with a little rocker switch that's on the power outlet. And that heats the plates. When the rocker's on, it's heating, and when it's off, it's not heating. Very, very simple to operate. The pack also came with the 30 tickets, which I mentioned before. Those are parchment papers, which are sized just perfectly for the device. You just fold them in half, and then you'll put your cannabis inside of that when you go to press it, and it's just the right size for the plates here. Very nice, very convenient for them to provide those. Like I said, there's also the little silicone jar for collecting your rosin once you've done it, and a scraper tool, the stainless steel. So enough fooling around, let's press some rosin now. This is always the fun part of doing the reviews, the usage and testing. I'm using the Ju1ce pollen press. This is included with the package, but it is available on the juicebox.com website. And make sure when you put in Ju1ce, you use a 1 instead of the I. It's Ju1ce with a 1 in place of the I in juice. Okay, so we've started with the recommended 1/2 gram put into the little pollen press and pressed into a puck. And then we've put that in the press. It's also in the instructions to make sure that you've got the balance, that you've got it centered well, and that it's not leaning or tilted or anyway. At the top it does have a little swivel on it that you can correct that. And then you press it down. You press it down with the handle and you start a timer for about 2 minutes. And you'll see after a few seconds it'll start squeezing out on the sides. And one thing you want to do too is as it's heating, you'll want to continue applying pressure and squeezing it, because as it heats it'll flatten more and more. And you can also use your hand and your body to put your weight on the top of it to press it and to get the maximum amount of pressure put on it. Okay, after the 2 minutes is up, or whatever your preferred time is, you'll be able to release it and see what kind of rosin you've collected. You can see that was a 1/2 gram there. It's not a huge amount, but it's actually a pretty good amount, and it's a really pretty looking golden looking rosin. I wanted to push it a little bit further than the recommended 1/2 gram, so I did another pressing with a 1 gram. And I was really impressed by it. It just, and within a matter of a few seconds, started oozing out the side, bubbling. And so I applied more pressure like is recommended, but you can put your pressure of your body on top of it. And I was really happy with it. I got a nice couple of big dabs off of it. So that brings us now to the results and scoring. Pros and cons are. Pros are it's got affordable compared to other presses. It's only $150. It's truly portable, very small design. It's easy to take anywhere. All you need is a power outlet. Super easy to use. It heats up really quickly and you get fast results. You get really good quality resulting rosin from using the press, and it's also a really great temperature for pressing CBDs or hemp. The cons are you only have the one single temperature setting, so it's a little limited on the temperature, but you can adjust the time. Overall, I'm giving the Ju1ce handheld rosin press 4 stars. It's an awesome entry-level rosin press, so be sure to check it out. Again, I would like to thank juicebox.com. Other than the press that they have here, they also have a tabletop press and lots of other accessories and really cool items for anyone who likes to do rosin. So be sure to check out thejuicebox.com. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Juice Box. If you did, please hit the like button and visit RuffHouseStudios.com for hundreds of cannabis culture videos made just for you. This is Matt from RuffHouse Studios. Thanks for watching.